After a cyber attack, businesses can require a range of services to get back on track. CyberEdge's event management coverage pays for legal, IT and PR services, as well as credit and ID monitoring, data restoration, and breach notification costs. Depending on the severity of a breach, businesses can find themselves incurring significant costs. These include IT fees to establish the extent of a breach and expel the attacker from the breached system, legal services to coordinate their response, notify regulators, and monitor customer complaints, costs to restore data and reinstall software, and costs to notify customers and provide ID and credit monitoring services. How an organization manages an incident can impact their reputation, regulatory compliance, and potential future business.